Hi friends, welcome to another yoga session with me, Agatha, where the goal is to ensure that I deliver a yoga practice that is functional and accessible and possibly can be used in your everyday life no matter what you're doing. So today you will notice that I have a chair as my prop, and the purpose is to give you a practice that you can do sitting down. So whether that be sitting at an office chair, or you might be driving your kids around for their 1 million activities after school. And as we know, when we're driving kids around, we spend quite a bit of time sitting there in the car. So what better way to make use of your time than with a little yoga practice? Okay, so grab yourself a chair. You can be sitting on a couch, you can be sitting in your car, wherever you are, and let's get started. So sit back, okay? We are not resting our back on the chair right now. We may do it later, but to start off, we're a little bit forward. What that does is it forces your back muscles to activate and start engaging, okay? Feet on the floor. You're lengthening up through your spine, so just really get this feeling that there's a string attached to the top of your head and you're being pulled up towards the sky, towards the ceiling. We're going to start just breathing a few times. So if it's comfortable for you, close your eyes, just noticing your breath as you breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. 2 more times. It's always good at this time just to notice what is happening with your breath. And if nothing else, it's a great moment to connect with yourself. We're going to start releasing the neck and then the shoulders. So we start with neck crosses and circles, and then it's shoulder crosses and circles. So gently moving the head up towards the sky and then down towards the floor. And we're just going to do it really gently, respecting a range of motion that has no friction and no pain. Very important there. Okay, about 3 or 4 movements. Coming to center, we're going to go side to side. Okay, never try to rush through this series. It's just a really nice way to invite your muscles to release. And your circles are up towards the ceiling, just a little bit down and around, as if your chin is going to your chest. And we do about 3 in each direction. Take note of what shape your circle has. Sometimes we'll realize that it's more of an oval shape than it is a circle shape, or you're missing a whole section, and that just gives you good feedback on what's going on with the neck or with the body. And you see if you can improve and really make that movement nice and circular. Okay, when you're done with your last one, stop in the center, continuing to lift up through the spine. Now it's your shoulders. We're going to lift up gently. Don't scrunch up too high, that's not good. We're just releasing that. Just lift up a little bit and then let them release down towards your hips. Inhale to lift and exhale gently down. And one more time, up. And exhale down, forward and back, and closing the collarbones a little bit. Pull the shoulder blades together in your back, and then we're closing. Your shoulder blades are coming apart, and then you're pulling the shoulder blades together in your back. And one more time, we close, and then pull them together in your back. Good, now we're gonna do circles up and around. 2, and 1, reversing the motion, and up, 2, and 1. Good. Really continue to feel that you're sitting right on top of your sit bones here, that your back is still nice and long. If I were to turn to my side, you would notice that I'm actually leaning a little bit forward. I'm not rounding in my back. I'm just staying nice and lifted. That means my abdominals are a little bit engaged, okay, to help lift me up. I'm going to start with some arm movements. So I'm going to invite you to place your right hand on your lower back, and we're just going to be lifting the left hand up and down. So as you inhale, lift up, and exhale, pressing that arm down. Now, if you have any restriction in your shoulder, if you want to lift up more of a 90-degree angle, that's okay. You can even open it out this way if that feels better for you. So choose a movement that works for your body. Inhale, lift, and exhale to release. Let's do 2 more on this side. Inhale, up, and exhale, release. Last one. Inhale, lift, and exhale to lower. Good. Place the left hand on your lower back. We're now moving the other side. Inhale, up, and exhale down. Inhale up, and exhale down. And again, inhale, lift, and exhale down. Now we're going to do it with both arms. Inhaling, lift up, and exhale, release down. Okay, make sure that you are not lifting from the shoulders. So to help with that, reach the fingertips down towards the floor to lift up, to really get that shoulder to connect down. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale down. And 1 more time. Inhale. And exhale. Release. Good. Let's add a little bit more movement for the upper body. So now we're going to inhale. Both arms will come up. Exhale to place the hands behind your head, hand over hand. Inhale. Press back on your hands with your head opening the chest, slightly arching. And on your exhale, just slowly curving very slightly in the upper body. Good. Inhale, release the arms up. And exhale to bring them down. Again, inhale, arms lift. Exhale to place them behind your head. Inhale to press the chest open. Exhale, slide curving. It's not excessive. Good. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale to release down. And 1 more time. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, behind your head. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, slight little curve. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale to release the arms down. Very good. Let's get a little bit of mobility into the legs here, okay? So placing your hands on either side of the chair here and just press into it gently. Continue to feel like you're lifting your body up towards the ceiling. Take a nice inhale. And on the exhale, lift the left leg up towards the ceiling. Really feel that you're engaging in here. And then inhale, bring it down. Exhale, switch sides. Lift the right leg up towards the ceiling. Inhale, bring it down. And exhale, left leg up. Inhale, down. Exhale, other leg comes up. So really feel like you go deep into that psoas muscle to lift it up, that we're not rounding to do this, and release down. And again, exhale to lift. Inhale to lower. Exhale up. Inhale to lower. And exhale. And lower. And 1 more time, exhale. And lower it down. Good. Okay, now let's come forward on your chair a little bit. We're going to do a nice release for your hips. And let's cross one leg over the other. The ankle is directly over your thigh if that's possible. Your hands are on the front of your shins and on your ankle here. And you're just inhaling to pull yourself forward. And on the exhale, press down with that ankle and release forward, coming forward with your chest. Okay, inhale to bring yourself back up. So if I turn to my side a little bit, what you'll see happening is that I'm going down with as flat of a spine as possible. I'm not rounding to go down. And then you inhale to come back up. Always making sure that you're pressing down with that ankle so you're activating the muscles you're stretching. Going back to that beautiful PNF stretch that's very effective. And then inhale to come up. And on this fourth time, we're going to stay in position. Exhale. As far as you're able to go, hold it there and just keep breathing. Okay, in and out through the nose, just so you have better control of your breath. And one more breath here. You're still pressing down with that ankle. Good. And then you're going to slowly come up on your inhale. Shake that off a little bit. Come up, lift up on your toes just to activate your calves and get that circulation going through your legs. Inhale up, exhale, press down. Inhale, lift up on your toes and down. And one more time, up and down. Let's do the other leg. Cross the other leg over. Okay, so really pressing down with your ankle. Inhaling and exhale to press the chest forward. Inhale, come up. Should really be feeling that in the glute in the side of your hip. And exhale and press. I love this stretch. And if you've been sitting down for a while, it's fantastic. Okay, and again, and exhale, press forward. Inhale up. This is our fourth one, so we're going to stay in position now. Exhale, stay, hold, and just breathe. Good, come up on the next inhale. Releasing the legs down, so shake them out a little bit. And again, let's do one more round of coming up, lift on your toes, and then press down. And inhale. You know what? This is great to do on an airplane as well. Let me tell you, coming up on your toes like this just activates those muscles and gets the blood pumping through the legs. Beautiful work. And all this, so this stretch here is really nice. Good. And one more time, up. And then release down. Beautiful. Let's do a last one for the upper body. Okay? So we're going to bring one arm out in front of you. Okay? The opposite arm comes down and around. Now this might not be accessible. You might be here somewhere. You might just be able to do this, and that's okay. All right? Press them into each other. Okay? And then you're going to move the arm in the direction opposite of the one that's in front here. Okay, so this arm that goes around is pulling in one direction, and this arm is resisting, and your head is turning to look in the opposite direction. So in this case, my left arm is in front, my right arm is trying to pull it, but I'm resisting with my left. And then I bring it back to center. Okay, relax it a little bit, take a nice deep breath. And then again, push and pull as you turn ever so slightly with the head. Coming back to center, you're going to feel that right in between your shoulder blades. And one more time, push and pull. I'm pulling to the right, my head is turning to the left. And I'm coming back to center. And I'm letting that go slowly. Roll your shoulders a few times. Good, and then we do the same thing, other side, arm in front. In this case, it's my right, my left comes and loops around. The one that's in front is resisting, the one that's around is pulling it to the side, and the head is turning in the opposite direction. Resist, resist, resist the pull. Come back to center, take a nice deep breath. And again, we pull and we resist as the head gently turns. Bring it back to center. Nice deep breath. And last time, push, pull, head turns slightly. Coming back to center. Gently releasing those arms, roll your shoulders a few times. Let's take 3 more deep breaths in and out through the nose. As we inhale, lift the arms out through the sides, come up. If you can touch, great. If they don't touch, that's all right. Exhale down, really feel those shoulders coming down in your back, fingers reaching to the floor. And again, inhale and exhale, press the arms down. Last time, inhale, reach up. Keep the palms together this time, bring it down to your heart center. Namaste. Okay, hope you found that useful. Remember, anywhere you're sitting, you can do that practice. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of these types of practices, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Bye.